been a week and we're going to make the mould finally today. I had to think, I really think, because last time we did a mould, I'm not a fiberglass expert, but this stuff does not like to go around corners because obviously it's glass and it likes to spring back. So I was thinking, if I cover that now, you get all messy with fiberglass, I put it on there and it's not going to take to the mould. So one of two things is going to happen today. I'm either going to be a complete genius or I'm going to be an absolute complete fucking idiot. So what we got is some fine casting plaster and we got some mesh, fiberglass mesh. So what I'm hoping to do is to make some plaster up, put it, like make a negative mould, you could say. So we got like our positive, and then we're going to make an inner mould. So hopefully when we put the fiberglass on it, we shove the mould, the negative mould, into it, and it stays looking like what we've created here. So finger crossed, I look like a complete genius at the end of this, or you lot can laugh at me and I'm a complete idiot. So for our raw materials, let's get messy, I suppose. So here we go. We don't want to plaster stick into that, so I was thinking if we chuck a black bag on it to protect it, and the mould will stick to the black bag, will stick to that and it won't stick to that. Well, this is all theory anyway. So we'll stick this black bag on and then we'll make some plaster cast up. Yeah, something like that. Ooh, that's nice stuff. While that's soaking, I suppose we're gonna cut some of this mesh to give it some reinforcement, because that mould's going to be quite flimsy and I don't want it to break. I'm obviously moving it around. Help stop the wind blowing it around as well, this bag. Oh, perfect, that. Bloody lovely. How good do you think I'm doing so far? Fingers crossed this turns out alright. That first round went off really quick. I wasn't expecting it to go off that quick. So it took me by surprise. So I'm going to make it a bit more, not go off so it's fucking solid already. So we get this middle bit done and then we can flip it up and hopefully do the bottom bit. And yeah, enjoying it. one now. What? What? Loves this. Loves water. Come on, eh? Where is it? Get it, get it, get it. He's a softy bugger, like. He's a pom fox, if you were wondering what breed he is. Right, well, I got lots of cleaning up to do. We got the last bit in, and I just made a right mess of my back garden. So I've got let the sun on here now and nice and dry him out. And then once it's dry, we'll pop it out and we'll have a look and see how good our handiwork was. Okay, I suppose it's time. Let's get this out here. Because like I said before, I'm losing patience with it now. Hopefully it holds together. Don't know. Oh, it's going to be strong enough. Here's a question: how the hell am I going to get that out of there? It weighs absolute ton. Ah. Oh, it's out. It's not the sexiest thing. I'm quite happy with that, actually. A couple of holes to fill in. But it's only for weight to hold it in anyway, because once it's all going to be covered up with fabric and bloody foam anyway, so that's tidy. It's a bit soft though, a bit soft. Might just leave it like that. That works sweet. Right, let's gather my thoughts and let's see how we're gonna. So I'm gonna have to lube them both up so the fiberglass doesn't stick to it. Fingers crossed we might get 2 seats out of this instead of 1. So right, let's have a look. Kind of scared that I'm gonna put this all together and I'm gonna be able to get it apart. So I'm gonna use some foil. So I'm gonna stick some foil all over that bit, and then put all fiberglass in there, and then I'm going to put foil again over the top, put that weight in there, and fingers crossed it all works. I ain't got a clue what I'm doing. Okay, we got that covered in foil, and it looks like it's going to bloody rain, so I'm going to have to get it all in. Jesus wept, and see what happens from a bloody rain. Already cut, so we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 layers. That should be enough. We're going to put these in between. We don't want them yet. I want this one. Oh, this is going to be fun. How the hell is that gonna go down into them cracks? I don't know. We just go for it. Get it wet. Get it in there. Pray and hope. Something like that. Here we go. Oh Going back now. Oh, there we are. I'm quite happy with that. Tidy. I'm quite excited to see what it's going to look like when it's dry and we can pop it out and trim it out. So we just got to wait now. Wait for it to dry. A quick trim. Let's see if we can, hopefully fingers part it pops out, because if it don't, hell yeah brother. Lovely jubbly. That worked pretty well, so I'll give him a clean up and then we'll come back to it. Right, gonna spray some of this on there now, make it look all nice and tidy. Well, there it is. What do you think of that then? It's not bad for my first ever go. I'm quite chuffed with that. It's what is it, 6 or 7, it might even be 8 layers thick actually. It's quite thick. It's quite thick on it. So yeah, I'm well happy with that. Turned out real good. Better than I thought it would do. So what we gotta do now is make another one, and then we'll have our driver and passenger side seat. Believe it or not, all that cost is £50. Cost me 50 quid, that did, including all the materials and a little bit of guesswork. So 50 quid's not too bad, because I've seen them online and they're like £1,000 each. So for 50 quid, I'm quids up. So I'm glad you enjoyed that little video I put out for you guys. Good news as well, our new garage is coming next week, so we'll have a move-in day as well, and might put up a camera and show them building it. But yeah, really happy with that. Even the back I got it propped up. Even the back's come out nice. Everything. So I'll leave it at that, and we'll see you next week on the next video. Thanks a lot, see you again.